everyone, THM Reviews here with another end credits for you. Today we're looking at all the people who worked the film called Lilo and Stitch 2-disc Big Wave Edition. Please stop. Hey Google, from Lilo and Stitch, what happened to Lilo and Nani's parents?
On the website disney.fandom.com, they say, Lilo's parents died in a car accident before the events of Lilo and Stitch. The accident happened on a rainy night, making the roads dangerous. This left Lilo and her sister Nani orphaned, with Nani becoming Lilo's legal guardian.
I'm going. Explaining it to you, I am. Nah, let's skip part of this because it's too long. That's dirty. I love you, love you, love. Run, Trisha, run! We'll also not be checking out the previews by using the fast play menu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.